Robbins out in front. That black disc wheel, Thomas Brown right there in second position right now. Matt trying to keep a keen eye on Thomas. Still no action yet, but Matt throwing in, taking an attack. So Thomas getting up underneath Matt Robbins now as they get the bell, and Thomas keeping him nice and high on the track. And that's a totally legal rule. There is no rule that says you have to go to the bottom of the track, but it is the fast way around. Thomas realizing that for the turn as he gets down the bottom, and it's going to be a drag race up to the finish line now. Who's it going to be? And Matt Robbins. A little bit too much power, Thomas. A great tactical ride there, and that was about everything that he had to push Matt Robbins all the way to the line, but there is no substitute for